AP Calculus AB. Got to get rid of that thing. Problems 1 to 4. This is number 3. Identify the open intervals on which the function is increasing or decreasing. So I'm going to find the derivative, set it equal to 0, or find where it doesn't exist. Use those as critical points, make intervals, and then find these open intervals. Let's say I find, I don't know, pi. I'm just giving an example. I find pi over 2 and pi are values for which the derivative is 0. So there the derivative is 0. It's neither increasing nor decreasing. That's why the intervals are open intervals. It's going to be this to this open interval, negative infinity to this, or 0 to this open interval, and this to 2 pi open interval. Because it doesn't include the endpoints, but that was just speculation. I don't know what the actual value is. So I'm going to find the derivative. H prime x equals 1 plus 2 cosine x. And I'm going to set that equal to 0. 2 cosine x equals negative 1. I subtracted 1 from both sides. Cosine x equals negative 1/2. And all of a sudden, I don't remember if I pressed record. I did. So on the unit circle, I will now look at the unit circle and see where cosine is negative 1/2. Well, I know this. C-A-S-T. I know here cosine's positive, here cosine's positive. So this is the second quadrant and third quadrant are where the answers are going to be. And in the second quadrant, cosine of 2 pi over 3 is negative 1/2. And in the third quadrant, it's cosine 4 pi over 3. You can see my mouse hovering over it, 4 pi over 3. So there's the intervals I'm going to set up from 0 to 2 pi over 3, from 2 pi over 3 to 4 pi over 3, from 4 pi over 3 to 2 pi. Remember, the unit circle is 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, 2 pi, and then it goes back to 0. Just keeps repeating every 2 pi. It goes to the value it had at 0. It just keeps repeating every 2 pi. So from 0 to 2 pi over 3, if I look at my unit circle, here's 0. Well, 0 is here, 2 pi over 3 is there, so I'll use pi over 2. 2 pi over 3 is here, 4 pi over 3 is somewhere over here, so I'm going to use pi. 4 pi over 3 is somewhere over here, 2 pi is over here, I'll use 3 pi over 2. Those are the values that I will check to see where it is increasing and decreasing. So pi over 2, I have 1 plus 2 cosine pi over 2. And you should know, memorize this unit circle, cosine of pi over 2 is 0. 1 plus 2 times 0 is just 1. So that's increasing. So from 0 to 2 pi over 3, it is increasing. Now do 2 pi over 3 to 4 pi over 3. 1 plus 2 cosine of pi. And cosine of pi is negative 1. 1 plus 2 times negative 1 is 1 minus 2 is negative 1. That's negative, decreasing. For 2 pi over 3 to 4 pi over 3, it is decreasing. This one is probably going to be increasing. 1 plus 2 cosine 3 pi over 2. Cosine of 3 pi over 2 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. It's positive. It's increasing again. So 4 pi over 3 to 2 pi. It's increasing. And then the question says, did it say use your calculator? Oh, no, it did. Wait a minute. I'm in the wrong section here. I'm going back to here. What number is this? I just want to see what the instruction is. 9876543. 3. Yeah, it just says identify the open intervals where it's increasing or decreasing. So that's it. Increasing from 0 to 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3 to 2 pi. Decreasing from 2 pi over 3 to 4 pi over 3.